talk to the people who are in the industry, what inspires them to do what they do.
Kind of feels like I've found my people who think so creatively and think the same and tell stories about people who might not be able to speak up for themselves.
Where I can really make people feel less alone in their own story.
Theatre kind of presents the human experience of their interiority.
All right, let me just come here and see what's up. How can I be myself, but still, you know?
This is, incredible, like mind-blowing, really, yeah.